Submitting an action using the eSubmissions portal. Presented by the Office of Administrative Law. Please note, this informational video pertains to submission of notices and actions to OAL using the OAL eSubmissions portal and is intended for use only by executive branch state agencies. To submit an action, such as a regular rulemaking action, emergency rulemaking action, or Section 100 action, you must first create a new folder in the Submission of Actions folder in your agency's designated document library. The name of the new folder must match the subject of the regulations listed in Section B of the Form 400 and must be different from the names of any existing folders. Within the new folder, for all actions submitted electronically to OAL for publication in the California Code of Regulations and/or transmittal to the Secretary of State for filing, you must upload a single electronic file containing one electronic Form 400 in PDF format and one electronic copy of the certified regulation text, including any documents incorporated by reference, in PDF or DocX format. Your Form 400 must be signed by your agency head or designee using a digital or electronic signature. If a designee has signed the Form 400 on behalf of your agency head, please make sure you have the appropriate delegations on file when you submit your action to OAL. Within the new folder, you must also create an additional folder named Rulemaking Record. In the folder named Rulemaking Record, you must upload the contents of your rulemaking record. The documents and information comprising the rulemaking record may be in any commonly available file format, such as PDF, DocX, XLSX, JPG, PNG, and MP4. Our access to the documents and information cannot be restricted via password protection or any other method. If you submit the rulemaking record in multiple files, please remember to name each file or folder in a manner that is consistent with its identification in the table of contents. After all required documents are uploaded to the new folders, you must email electronic submissions at oal.ca.gov using the language included in Section 6.5 of Title I of the California Code of Regulations. Once you send this email, you cannot add, delete, or modify documents in the folders. We will not consider your action submitted until we receive this email. Except for emergency regulatory actions, actions received after 5 p.m. on a working day or at any time on a weekend or holiday will be considered submitted on the following working day. Emergency regulatory actions received after 4 p.m. on a working day or at any time on a weekend or holiday, will be considered submitted the following working day. Within 1 working day of receiving the action, we will email a timestamped Form 400 that includes the assigned regulatory action number to the email address used to upload the documents and, if provided by the agency, the email address of the agency contact listed on the Form 400. We will also move your documents out of the Submission of Actions folder so we can start processing your action. You have now successfully submitted an action using the eSubmissions portal. Return of completed actions. After our office has taken action on your submission, we will return the certified regulation text and rulemaking record or written statement to you by uploading the documents to the Returned Actions folder using a folder name matching the subject of the regulations listed in Section B of the Form 400. After uploading the documents to the Returned Actions folder, we will send an email to the email address used to upload the action indicating the documents are ready to be downloaded. Your agency must download the documents within 45 calendar days of notification, after which we will delete the documents from the Returned Actions folder. Return of rejected actions. If your agency adds, deletes, or modifies documents after sending the required email to electronicsubmissions@oal.ca.gov, or if your action is being returned to you pursuant to Government Code Section 11349.1, subdivisions D, F, or G, your submission will be rejected. If your submission is rejected, we will upload the rejected action to the Rejected Submissions folder using a folder name matching the subject of the regulations listed in Section B of the Form 400. After uploading the rejected action to the Rejected Submissions folder, we will send an email to the email address used to upload the action indicating the rejected action is ready to be downloaded. Your agency must download the rejected action within 45 calendar days of notification, after which we will delete the documents from the Rejected Submissions folder. Rulemaking Record Retention. After we return the action to you, Government Code Section 11347.3, subdivision E, requires your agency to maintain the rulemaking record unless your agency elects to transmit the rulemaking record to the state archives. If you have specific questions about how to submit documents electronically using the eSubmissions portal, please contact our reference attorney at staff@oal.ca.gov.